अलैका या मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैका या मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैका या मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैका या मुहम्मद।
तुम यहाँ से कहता है कि हम फास्ट जाएगा, गाड़ी को तैयार करेगा फिर जाएगा ना। अब यहाँ से तुझ कहता है अल्लाह को जाएगा, तेरे तो व्हीकल है ना, उनमें तेल डाल कुछ इधर जा।
Now if you said that you're going to Belfast, you will get your vehicle ready and then make preparations and go. And if you want to say you want to go to God, you have the apparatus within you, prepare them and make that journey and go.
तू यहाँ से बलफास जाएगा गाड़ी पे, रास्ते में कहीं भी एक्सीडेंट होगा, यही कहीं बलफास जा रहा था रास्ते में मार गया ना।
Now if you're going to Belfast, you made the preparations and you actually embarked upon the journey. And if on the during the journey you had an accident and you died, the people would say that he was died on the way to Belfast.
इसी तरह जब ये तेरा व्हीकल अल्लाह की तरफ जाएगा ना, रास्ते में तू मर गया, अल्लाह की तरफ जा रहा था।
In a similar way, if you embarked upon that journey towards God and then you would happen to die, then people would say that this person traveled towards the Lord and then he died in his path.
All books कहती हैं कि जो भी अल्लाह के रास्ते में मर गया उनको मुर्दा मत कहो, उसका शुमार शहीदों में।
And all the scriptures have said that those people that die in the path of the Lord, do not call them dead, for they live. Because they have died in the path of the Lord. They are Shaheed. They bear witness to the truth.
Allah, 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 Haq Allah.